Hello, 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 hello. Good evening, everybody. How you guys doing? Hope you're my YouTube channel. It's your girl Rita. If you're just joining me for the first time, please give your girl a thumbs up and please subscribe to my YouTube channel. And if you have any question or anything that is bothering you that you feel like sharing, please leave it in the comment section below. I will sure read and I will get back to you on it. So my people, una welcome. If una just dey come for the very first time, make una dey give your una get thumbs up and make una dey subscribe. Una go see that red button for there when the right put say subscribe. Make una dey press am and bell go jump at the one wey dey do na be the notification bell. So when you press the one wey do hand like this, you go notice say if I just upload video like this, na you go just first see am. So how una dey waka for this time when we dey so open and dey keep guidelines of regular washing of the hands and all that indoor. Follow the rules and regulation. It is better to be safe than to be sorry. So today we get topic when we go talk about. There is a new topic on my table today that we're going to be discussing. This is happening in Africa. Getting married to a man or a woman and you're not welcome, even when that's why take the stress at all. So my people, this one about people when you dey date man, you dey date woman, and the family not really like you, but being that you like the boy, you like the girl, you go still say you won't continue. The struggles when they actually they surround them. From my finding about so many people cases, I don't come to a conclusion that sometimes it's not just good we put ourselves in such situation. If you're dating any man or any woman and the family they don't really like you, even when you ask them what you've done wrong and all that, they're still not giving you right answer or something very tangible for you to hold. Sometimes you need a closure and they tell you say na this one na that one, but they not just like you at all. My sister, my brother, to me this is why this channel is called My View. I don't know about you, your view might be different from mine. So so many people go still learn from my own and me go still learn from so many people own too. To me, I feel it's stressful entering a family that you're never welcome, even if the guy or the girl, the two people now when they're together for the relationship, they really love themselves. Do you think it is enough? Do you think that love will stand the test of time? Because from my studies, I don't see am say so many of them, they say they hang on to that marriage all in the name of wetin people go talk, especially when it comes to the women. They go through so many so many problems for the man, and you understand the man fit come turn out to even dey talk to the woman anyhow, but now it is too late. The woman go come say he no get who he wan go report you to. Now you no fit go meet your family because in the first place they no even feel like me. Na me say I must marry, na me say I must follow you. In the end now you marry, there no peace, you understand. I don't advise anybody, if you just dey enter house even when una never marry, you notice say this one not like you, this one not like you, my brother, my sister, there is no need even starting it at all. Because you go find out na so bind and cast, now you go cast till you old. Because if somebody don't like you, they fit not just like you for no reason, especially that one. They fit not just like you for no reason. So you no get wetin you go do, you no get how you go please them reach. If they no go like you, they no go like you. You understand? And sometimes sometimes you when dey the situation because they say why these people not really like me, but I no go comot. After all, the guy like me or the girl like me, I no go comot, I go stay. But funny enough in the long run, because I don see so many situations, some dey end well, some they go just dey marriage, e go be like say mo just dey the marriage for dem sake. They no dey enjoy marriage. Yes, you fit talk now say yes, I dey very young in marriage, but it's not about how far it's, but it is about how well. Some people fit don dey marriage for 100 years, but love no dey there. They just dey there all in the name of society. Make society, wetin society go talk, wetin this one go talk, wetin that one go talk. I no wan separate, I no wan separate, I no wan, you understand. So many people dey that situation now as we speak. You understand. The man go dey even dey follow the woman sef go know sef, but she no go fit talk because who she wan go meet, who she wan go talk to, or the girl dey misbehave, who the man wan go meet. You understand. The man no get where e dey go now. Who you wan go meet? People wey no even fit accept you in the first place, now you wan go meet. So sometimes it is always good we just listen to that, just take that simple advice. They don't want you, they don't want you. You wouldn't want to go ahead to get married to somebody that the family, you're not with. Anything happen tomorrow, you are on your own. Do you understand? You're on your own. There is nothing like place where love, the atmosphere, they very fair. You understand. It's it's overwhelming, it's nice, it's good, it's good. You feel entrust your children for their hand. You feel comot, you feel just come, you drop them, you comot. You no go worry about anything. You know say you leave them for safe and you leave them for people wey really love you and all that. I keep saying it. If you don't like me, if you don't like me, I see no reason why you go like my pikin, because you no like me. So why you go come like my offspring? So many people dey fall into that victim today, especially when it comes to Africa, getting married to a man or a woman that the family never welcomed you in the first place, even while you guys were dating. They go just tell you point blank, we don't want this person. You understand. Sometimes they are actually saving you from so many stress that you're gonna encounter in future. So I always believe say e good make person just marry. Everybody go just like you. So you understand. Even if not 100%, at least 90%, 95% is even okay. Some people will just come, even 50% sef, they no even get that welcome, like acceptance. They don't get that acceptance, but they go still won't go ahead. So why get married to a man or a woman when the family not accept you? Why? Give me your reason. What's your reason? What's your opinion? You don't see anybody when they go through the same thing when they talk about now, because I know so many people when they go through am. You understand. And the reason when the disadvantage wey they give, e dey more than the advantage. You understand. The disadvantage be say anything dey happen, you no get where you dey run dey go. You are on your own. If the man or the woman dey maltreat you, you no get where you dey run dey go. You no know, you no get who you want to, because in the first place they never even wanted you. You understand. And some persons when actually yield to that talk, that word, when they were just coming in and the family said, no, we don't want you, we don't want you, we don't want you, regardless of you loving our son or our daughter. Some, when get foresight, they will just grab it and quietly they end that relationship, because that place is not their own. You want to be in a place where you are welcomed. You want to be in a place where you are loved. You want to be in the family that will call you their own. You will feel loved. You feel like, yes, these people, now they even born you. Do you understand? Because this thing, they very rampant for Africa. Where they're very, very rampant. Especially some homes when they'll constantly see the ones when go abroad too. Some families too that maybe there's no much exposure. Even the ones with exposure, anyway, they still they go through the same thing. The family go just say, no, I don't want that girl, I don't want that boy. Do you understand? Una two go come dey. Una go dey quarrel, so quarrel. Una go dey fight, so quarrel. So my advice is, if you're starting a relationship and you know that this relationship, you want it to end the marriage, and the family do not want you, you're not welcome. Don't even go into it at all. Honestly, don't even go into it. It may be painful, or it might be painful because you love this person, and now you have to part ways because the family sometimes they are saving you lot of stress, because na very small out of 10 people wey do am, na like 2% na e work out fine. Maybe later in life they go come unite, they go come set their misunderstanding right and all that, but some dem dey carry that thing go grave. But I for one, I don't like negative energy when it comes to things like that. So even if things like that dey happen, maybe may I use example now, I'm married anyway, maybe dem dey date one guy now, the family say that relationship, I don zero that relationship for my mind, say e no dey go marriage. Do you understand? So if dem just dey talk for their own sake, because me don already know say e no go pass that, e no dey pass there, because me I no wan, I wouldn't want to go into any relationship that's going to lead to marriage, that when I go don enter marriage I go come dey bind and cast, oh in the name of Jesus, you're always pointing fingers. If anything is wrong with you, you're always saying, oh, could it be na my mother-in-law or my brother-in-law or na my sister-in-law. You find out that you always be pointing fingers, you always be thinking like, oh, these people, they don't love me. Could it be that they are the one trying to make me fall sick? Especially we that are from Africa. This message, this video is actually is for those of us who are from Africa. Getting married to a place where you were never welcomed in the first place. Why even try it? Why even try it? Some people won't even yield to the advice. After they comot, maybe the guy can't even marry, they'll find out say the one wey they can't even marry, e can't pass on, or one thing or the other go come happen. And when they go can't even leave that, some go can't leave that relationship, or can't even meet better person when the family even na they self, na they even they fight tooth and nail to even embrace you. So which one you prefer? The one wey you wan go dey do bind and cast, bind and cast, bind and cast, or the one wey be say na dem sef go dey even dey pray for you, say, oh, may our sister-in-law, may God bless am, may God bless am, may our brother-in-law, may God bless am, may God bless am, you know, make, you know, like you are their daughter, like is their son. So how many people marry like that? So many people dey like that, dey marriage today. They just dey that thing, that word marriage. You understand? No love, no atom of love, no, you understand? They just dey, may not be say people come laugh dem say last you know say na I not tell una say e no go last, so they can't really fall put. So they go dey endure the man dey pons dem. They go dey endure, they go the kind, they go even dey see the different women when the men sef dey date sef, but they go still lock up. They go dey use that word, na because of pikin I still dey there. Or they will start using the word, oh, because of my child I've decided to remain in this marriage. But it's like you're stuck in there, man. You're stuck. There's no way being in a place where you're not loved. There's no place being in a place where you don't feel love. You're not enjoying it. You're not, like, you will not see your sister-in-law and be, oh, you know what I mean? You will not see your brother-in-law and be like, oh. So I think it starts from relationship. If you're in a relationship, if you're out there, you're in a relationship, and the family of the man or the family of the woman, they don't really like you, maybe for one reason or the other that you don't even know. Honestly, if you ask me, I'll tell you not to even go ahead. Yes, it's painful, but if you stay away from such relationship, it's going to pay you more, because God in heaven is actually going to gift you with something that will cherish you more than you even wish for. Because now man gets the work of loving her. The man say, God say, love your wife. Now the man, I get that work, love. He go love you. You go there, you know, probably the man go love you. The family go welcome you. When God can say, when a man finds a wife, he finds a good thing, right? And he obtains favor from the Lord. He not say me woman. So why should you go into any marriage, or why should you go into any family and you're not welcome. You can't dey say, oh, the man like me, I love the man, or the woman like me, so maybe with time everything go settle. Sometimes now 2 out of 10 na e dey work hard for. I don hear of so many, and I don see so many wey be say the men sef, the woman for house and be like shit, looking, while the man go just dey too shop. If you see the girls when e dey follow, you go dey hail, but him wife for house, e don turn am to come and see. There are so many people like that, because later in life it will start playing on the man or the woman, like, hey, why did I even involve myself? Why did I do this? Regardless of their now children. You understand? You can't, there is no, you don't, these children, they don't know this one, these other children, they don't, there are so many like that. So many like that, so many like that. And some girls too, and some boys, they will come and even make trouble, all in the name of they want to get married. And this thing, it's so very rampant in Africa, especially when they hear abroad. When they hear that the person lives abroad, when they don't even know what the person is up to there, they don't know what they are doing, they start bringing misconception, they start creating problems, they start, it's so not good. I for one, I never liked it, like going into any family and the family would just start doing like na that day una dey see me reach, that day na dey see me reach. You understand? So the prayer is, oh, as I'm going, I want to be loved by everybody. God, if you in heaven, you are the creator of heaven and earth, if you say this person is truly my husband, I want to be loved by the entire family, because I'm leaving my family to join this person's family, so they have to embrace me like their child. Do you understand? They have to embrace me like their child. That's the kind of home I wish for. That's the kind of home I pray for. You understand? I don't want to be in a family whereby I'll come and be doing cast and bang in Jesus' name. Hey, if fly past, you go say, hey, they don't come. It's true. So many people are going through that at the moment. They don't come. Why did you venture into such family in the first place? You are a piece of jewel. If I'm saying this right, as a woman, I am a piece of jewel. So going into any family, I should be a blessing to that family, and they should be a blessing to my family too. I shouldn't go there with problems. I shouldn't go there with troubles. You understand? They should welcome me wholeheartedly, embrace me like their child. That's the kind of family that we should be wishing for, we should be praying for. But sometimes, many of us, we see it, or we still want to go. You understand? We still want to go into it. So sometimes it's always good for us to enter into a family that we are loved, that welcome us wholeheartedly. Not with, you understand? If you wear anything, they'll say, oh, their brother money don't finish. Oh. If you wear anything, they'll say, your sister. You understand? Especially we when come from Africa, especially we that are from Africa. It is always good we get married to a man that the family works, they are in support, their blessing is upon the union. No the other way around. Because it causes so much. It takes away so many energy. It gives negative vibes, You find out that you and your husband, sometimes it will even be, making the two of you quarrel and all that. Because sometimes you might want to make some suggestion, and the man will say, who tell you that one? Who told you that? Who told you that? And maybe the woman wants to make some suggestion, and the man will say, who told you that? If not that this, if not that, you understand? You see that you start, the blame game will start, crawling in. You start blaming yourself. Why did I do this? Why did I do that? Why not this? Why not that? And all that. So why even continue such relationship in the first place? Why? Why even continue such relationship? Because me, I've always believed that I've I will use myself as an example now. I've never been in that situation whereby pressure of getting married. Yeah, I was hearing it, but I never allowed it get to this place because I already know that when you marry, you are going to be in it alone. So you have to marry for the right reason. You understand? You have to marry for the right reason because so many of us married for the wrong reason. So married because the man is abroad. Do you understand? So many persons marry because the man is abroad, not because they love them. So many also married all in the name of, oh, shey the family said they don't like me. Me, I will continue. After all, their son or their daughter loves me. Do you understand? So many persons they actually marry for the wrong reason, but it is always good we marry in a family where we are loved. Where I have a friend then, oh my goodness, when I was still in Africa, when I was still in Nigeria, I remember her coming to all the time. She was always singing praises of the mother-in-law, and I was like, oh goodness me. So anytime I see a mother-in-law, sometimes I would just want to hug her, I would just want to hug her because I always see that smile on my friend's face anytime she says, oh, her mother-in-law did this, her mother-in-law did that, her mother-in-law bought this for her mother-in-law. So I was always like, oh wow, this is beautiful. So anytime I even follow her and follow her to her house, there was one incident when I entered her compound and mother-in-law was just sitting outside. I was smiling. You know why I was smiling? Because I actually wanted to go meet the mother-in-law to just give her a hug. I'm saying this thing for the very first time. She's not aware of this. Anytime she said it, oh my goodness, inside of me I was always so happy for her because it is not easy for you to get married into a family that loves you. When they love you, just thank God that yes, that is the right place for you. So if any troubles come, you will have people that you will actually run to, that will even caution their son and say, how dare you did this to our daughter. Do you understand? No, 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 no. We're not going to take side with you. You better go back and bring our daughter-in-law. You understand? But if the case was different, dem go tell you say, did we not tell you before? I thought we told you not to marry this girl or marry this boy. But you said no pass, you know best. Now you can't bring such case to us. You just go and sort it out yourself. Because in the first place, they never accepted how they never accepted him. So why bother yourself? Why have such, why go through all that? I call it stress. Because me, I don't want stress. So I don't like stress at all. I hate it. 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 I hate it a lot. I don't like stress at all, at all. I don't want anybody stressing me. So the more reason why if I go into any family and I'm not welcome, the first they say, man, I don't run. Do you understand? Or because of me, they are not having problems and all that, I will not stay there at all. Because every time I sit down, I'm going to be thinking, oh, this is because of me, it's because of me, it's because of me, it's because of me and all that. It's because of me they're having that problem and all that. It's because of me they're having, problem. So because of that, I don't welcome it at all. I don't welcome it at all. I don't stay in such environment. I don't like it. My friends then in school, they will always call me one name. Oh my riot. I always just do my thing peacefully. I do it because I want to do it. I'm not doing it because friends are saying this, or my brothers are saying this, or my sisters are saying this, or my mother, they are saying this. No. I just follow my heart, man. I follow my heart. I follow my heart. Follow my heart. So I decided to come and share this today. If you know you have any friend, any brother, any sister that are going through this same situation, that while they were dating, the family never accepted both parties, but because of stubbornness, they actually, they didn't listen. They went ahead and they got married. Yes, they may be having kids, but do they really, are they enjoying it? Are they enjoying it? Because yes, you might say yes, you are enjoying it though. After all, you've got kids now. We are still missing, because there's nothing like true love and true family. There's nothing like family is all, man. Families, except the ones that will, maybe even when they love you, in the long run they messed up or one thing, you just want to stay away from them and all that. It's not really like you're angry with them and all that, but you just want to stay away from them. That one is totally different. Do you understand? It's totally different. This one is getting married to a family, getting married into a family where you were never welcome. The challenges that surrounds it, it brings so many negativity, it brings so many quarrels, it brings so many fighting, it brings so many headache. Why do we want to end up in such home? Why do we, especially the women, they want to just hold on to that thing. I'm not going to leave this thing, no, I'm not going to leave this thing, no, like their life depend on that thing. You understand? But funny enough, do you know that when they even leave that thing, the person that will come for them, will cherish them. They will even worship them. You understand? So I've actually seen and learned a lot from people who went through this problem, and they are still battling it in tomorrow. They are still battling it in tomorrow. So my brothers and sisters, my advice is, if you're dating a guy or you're dating a girl and you are not welcome in their family, please don't even continue. Don't think, oh, I've invested too much in this relationship, I wouldn't want it to just go down the drain like that. My dear, you don't know what God is saving you for. You don't know. You don't know what God is saving you for. Honestly, trust me. I won't sit here and just because I want you guys to see my fine face, so I'll come and be telling you rubbish. No. God is actually saving you of so many stress, because sometimes, if you are a true believer, you have that personal relationship with God, you will understand that God will not just want you. Why would God want to stress me now? God wouldn't want that. You understand? So we say, oh, you have to go through some battles, but nah, not all, man. Not all. If you're in a relationship and you're not welcome, don't continue, please. Don't. Honestly, trust me, don't. That relationship, if it leads to marriage, the worst is yet to come. You haven't even seen anything yet. When you have problem, where are you going to run to? Where are you going to run to? Haven't you seen, even then, our own video say when they'll be showing it in Nigeria that time, the families that kicked against their relationship, when peradventure something bad happened to the man or the woman, don't you see the way in fact, they will almost be removing the man or the woman's neck. You understand? So sometimes, you just want to avoid such problem. You understand? Try to avoid such problem. If you're in a relationship and the family of the boy or the girl, they don't want you or wanting or the other, there's problem, they're having little fracas because of you, there is no need just continuing it. Just let it go. Let it go. Some people will say, people from Africa, they will hold on, bang, bang, bang. They wouldn't want to live there. They will say, oh, now their husband be this. Who tell you? Your husband will look for you and give you peace. Your husband, and when your husband find you, the family, now they go even love you past the husband when you say love you. Like seriously. When your rightful husband finds you, you see the love you're thinking he loves you, the family will even love you more. They won't give you stress. Even if you don't call them today or tomorrow, they won't say, you never call us since, so instead, even when you know they not hear from you, they are even thinking of your safety. Oh, hope these people, they are okay, hope they are fine. Oh, understand, it's always positive vibes, man. Always positive vibes. So don't get married into any family that you're not welcome. The stress is too much. The stress is too much. So if you're about doing the same thing and you watching my video now, please, my sister, my brother, don't even go into it. It's not right. It's not good. You won't enjoy it. You won't. If there's any problem, you won't have where to run to at all. You won't have where to run to. Even if they are going to give you advice, even if peradventure they accept you, they are still going to. Do you understand? Now only Oyibo, only the Westerners will just, in fact, they can marry without their parents' consent, they can marry without their father's consent, you understand? They don't need anybody's blessing. But some that understand what family is all about, they still need their father's blessing. You understand? They still need their father's blessing. So I just said I should come and share this information with everybody because I am also a mother, I am a wife, I am a sister, I am a friend to so many. So if you like this video, please leave your comment in the comment section below and give me a thumbs up. And please, if you're not subscribed, please, what are you waiting for? Don't you want to be seeing this lovely face? Just hit the button, subscribe, and stay glued to my channel. More are coming. I'm going to be coming, more and more and more and more. Anything you want me to pick, you want me to discuss, you want me to, discuss, just let me know. Leave the comment in the comment section below. I will read and I'll get back to you. Very soon I'll drop a number just in case you want to call. I'll drop a number where anyone can reach me. Thank you very much, guys, and please stay safe. We are in trying times. Stay safe. This is the right time for you to have that personal relationship with your God. It is only God who can save us. It is only God who can heal us. It is the Almighty healer, the greatest physician of all. He is the first, the last, the beginning, and the end. Without him, we are nothing. So stay safe out there. Always wash your hands. Always wash your hand. I love you guys. Thank you very much. Thank you. Thank you. Bye. Peace.